Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to check if a YouTube channel is monetized. In this video, I'll show you an easy way to find out if a YouTube channel is earning money from ads. To start, go to the YouTube channel you want to check. You can do this by searching for the channel's name in the search bar, or by going directly to their channel page. Once you're on the channel's page, right-click anywhere on the page and select View Page Source or similar. This may vary depending on your browser and operating system. Press Ctrl F or Command F to open the search bar. Search for Is monetization enabled? If the value is true, the channel is monetized. If the value is false, the channel is not monetized. That's all there is to it. You can now easily check if a YouTube channel is monetized by following these simple steps. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.